Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Faraday Future, ticker is FFAI, so the ticker changed, it's not FFIE anymore. I will give you an updated chart analysis, that we have here still a squeeze situation or a potential squeeze for Faraday Future. It is now a game between delusion and squeeze. You can see here, since we had the stock split here in August 2024, the volume profile is increasing here, so that means Faraday Future is diluting the stock, and they announced again additional dilution, but as long as they don't execute that, we have still here some squeeze potential. Usually a squeeze is moving here in 3 steps, so the third step is still missing. So I give you here all my price levels, and everything, of course, what I say is based on the chart and not financial advice. The market, guys, is on shaky legs right now. We are at the edge to see here a potential bear market, and the let's say the month March is usually a bearish month, but not yet we are in a bear market. We have still a bullish setup, but the market has to decide really quick if we go up or down, because we are trading here in a very critical price range right now. You can see my S&P 500 video here on YouTube if you want to understand what I mean and where are the price levels here. So for Faraday Future, in my opinion, guys, we still have here a squeeze or even a short squeeze situation. A squeeze is still possible as long as they don't dilute too heavily here the stock. If they just pump new shares into the market, that would of course kill the squeeze momentum, but we have still here some squeeze potential. The good news are here for everybody who want to do a quick swing trade. This is not financial advice, but we have here one final open gap at $1.57 in the daily chart. You can see that all the other gaps which we have here, which are in the much higher price ranges, they appeared before the stock split here. The stock split was here in August 2024, and these gaps are here before the stock split, so I would not consider them anymore. But this open gap here, guys, $1.57, I think Faraday Future will close this gap very soon. And for swing traders here, this is still here a swing trade of about 30%, which is absolute worth it in my opinion. Make your own due diligence on that. As I said, we could see here also a huge gap down, but I show you now all the price levels here based on the chart, guys. So and let's switch here to the price levels. Nothing changed here since my previous video. As I said, guys, the market is not bullish right now, or the overall market is still bullish, but March is bearish. But that doesn't mean that we cannot catch here some short squeezes. I always release here my hot stocks, as you know. These are my personal stocks which high squeeze potential, which I always upload here on Patreon, and the brand new video is out right now, guys. We had just yesterday one squeeze here, one of my swing trade alerts, which I also post on Patreon, squeezed 100%. Perfect dip here to the liquidity zone. I informed my members about that this is the price range where I expect the rebound to happen, and that happened just yesterday. Here you can see how slowly this price was building up here over 2 or 3 trading days. This is a 4 hours chart, by the way. And then we had our 102% squeeze. Then last week Monday we had this squeeze here, in total a 170% squeeze. Same here, guys, algo demand zone 25 to 18 cents. Boom, on the dot, guys, we hit 25 cents, which was the lowest price here, and then we had in total a 170% short squeeze. Sounds easy, sounds everything too good to be true, guys. I cannot guarantee nothing, but I give my best to predict short squeezes here. And if you also want to see my short squeeze stocks, you can join the full package membership here on Patreon. You also get access here to my member tutorials and my member FAQ section, so you get a lot of content here. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader, and of course also available here in the video description. It doesn't matter, guys, if you are advanced trader or a beginner, everybody can join in and is of course highly welcome here. So guys, Faraday Future, the price levels here. So we have just 2 scenarios, because $1.20 is, or the $1.25, I hope you can see that here, is still the algo demand liquidity zone, which means as long as Faraday Future is not diluting, we still have here the support. Even if we trade now below this price level, that doesn't mean that we break this support. For now, you can see what happened here in the past trading days. You can see we had always candle wicks here when we dipped below $1.25. Then we had one red candle below this price, and it immediately came back, closed over this price level here. And now we have, for the first time, guys, today or yesterday, for the first time here, a full red candle body below $1.25. So what we want to see for Faraday Future today is that we regain strength and close again above $1.25. If we see here a rejection, the price comes down and don't recovers the next day, that could be really ugly. So why we didn't close this gap yet, guys? Why we still have here this open gap at $1.57? In my opinion, there's just one thing missing for Faraday Future, and that is an oversold RSI. The RSI is not oversold yet. We can see that Faraday Future can, of course, squeeze here without having an oversold RSI here. In that situation here, the RSI was still trading here in the blue box here, yeah, also above 30, and you can see that Faraday Future even had a small squeeze since then. But as I said, guys, for me as a swing trader, day trader, I want to see here some drama. The price has to come down, the RSI has to come down a little bit more, and you can see that we still have here support until 97 cents. The $1 range is for every stock a very critical price range because of the listing requirements here on the Nasdaq, and that's why I think when the market makers create here a shakeout or even a gap down overnight, that would be perfect. When Faraday Future gaps down here a little bit, keep that in mind, guys. Everything until 97 cents is still here a support zone. If we will break this support in future, I will let you know the new price levels, of course, in my next videos for Faraday Future. That doesn't mean that when we start here to squeeze that we just close the open gap. We have still, guys, yeah, you know that from my previous videos, we still have here the golden pocket waiting at $2.39. So technically Faraday Future should come back to $2.39. If they don't come back here to these price levels, as I said, that is then, in my opinion, just because of the delusion. Based on the actual price, we could so see here a squeeze of 95%, and this is of course just an algo squeeze, not a short squeeze. Sorry for my voice, guys, I'm still struggling here with a cold. And $2.15 is the squeeze trigger, the make it or break it price level, which could be in favor then for the real short squeeze, guys. Yeah, so long story short, the normal price action, what I expect is that we come back between $1.57, this is more or less almost for sure for me personally, and $2.39 is the open gap, the golden pocket, which we have to close. If we can hold the price over $2.15 here, that would be the squeeze trigger for Faraday Future, and that would be the good news, because when we see here a post squeeze which is higher than this one here, this one had here a price action in the daily chart in total of 70%. So if we see here a squeeze from 100% or more, that would be very nice from setup point of view. I mentioned that we could potentially see here a W pattern which brings the price back over $3 here for Faraday Future before we maybe see here a rejection in the higher price ranges, guys. Yeah. If you want to copy here my price levels, guys, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program, what I recommend here and what I also use for all my videos. I have a discount link available here in the video description, $15 discount link on the premium tier. So please, if you want to get that program today, guys, use my discount link, then you save $15. My friends, that was the quick and dirty update on Faraday Future. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Faraday Future Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.